Hey, what's up? Tim Scheib, Scheib Real Estate Team, Remax Precision. I have an awesome opportunity for you to check out here. It's a two-story in Ankeny. It's 3,000 square feet. It's got 1,200 finished in the basement, 5 bedrooms. It walks out to timber. It's an absolutely wonderful opportunity. I think you should check it out. Now that you've taken the tour of this beautiful home, you can see all that it has to offer with over 4,000 finished square feet on a walkout lot to trees. Absolutely great opportunity. The address is 3211 Southwest Timberline and it's listed at $439,900. Phenomenal price. Check it out and give me a call if you want to see it.